when cooking becomes a daily ritual. A steady flame is where great flavor begins. Temperature, precisely controlled. Details, born from feeling. As heat rises, the kitchen comes alive. Multiple dishes at once, everything is right on track. No touch needed. Intelligence starts with a wave. Powerful suction, keeping the kitchen free from fume. From a quick stir fry, to slow pan frying, to gentle simmering. Controlled heat. Life finds its own rhythm. Conversations continue, uninterrupted. You barely notice it's on. The food is served. Life returns to its simple joys. With just a wave, everything falls into place. Sacon Flower Series. A beautiful life deserves to be seen. Available in more colors.